So midweek video is gonna start right here. Us walking down the street. I'm out here trying to get my wife to make me some money. Oh, just kidding. No, actually we're here in Hunstville, Alabama. We're walking over here to Jasper's shop.
Down the street. You can't get
So we're on our way over here. We're gonna we already hollered at J-Mac. Where's she at? She's hiding underneath me.
I'm hiding.
We're gonna walk over here. It's about I think it said it was what? It was 0.3 miles over to his shop. I called J-Mac. I think he might be taking a crap because he didn't answer his phone. He told me to holler at him. Maybe he fell back asleep. But yeah, we're gonna go over here and try to surprise Jasper if he's even at the shop yet. I hollered at him earlier. He said, yeah, just come on over when you guys are ready. So we backed into the dock, and they said it's gonna be about an hour for them to get me unloaded anyway. So we're gonna go over here and talk to him, and then see about going and get some breakfast. And yeah, literally like right up here, just past that dump truck is where Jasper's shop is. We're gonna go over here and holler at him real quick. I think I got some messages coming in. But anyway, walking. Look, I'm gonna put it right here at my neck. She comes up to my shoulder. I can literally go like this, and she's gone. All right, so talk to you guys in a bit. Look at us. We made it all the way over here. Walked. We're tired. Jay's Weld shop is in the back. And then this Smoke Johnson Customs is his brother's shop up front. Uh-oh. What the hell is that? Roll. Ooh, that sounds nasty. Let's go back here and see what the hell's in the shop. Maybe we can get a glimpse of something we ain't supposed to see yet. We better put our masks on. His son's going in for operation on Friday morning. We're gonna take a walk over to his brother's shop. We can take a good look at his station wagon. Thanks, I didn't want to have to duck.
There's Bo.
Dang.
He don't care. Are you live streaming this right now?
No, this will be on the video for tonight's video. Oh man, that is freaking beautiful.
It's gonna be on the paint here pretty soon.
God, look at that work. Look at that work. You know you guys want one of these. God damn, that looks pretty, man.
This on a shop truck here too.
This one?
Yeah.
That's a shop truck?
Yeah. We're gonna be putting a 4-link turbo on that one.
4-link and a turbo.
Put some Forgiatos on it.
That way you can get the parts to where they gotta go quickly?
Oh yeah.
You can put Brian in that one? Brian O'Connor?
Oh yeah. It'll be a little faster than that.
Brian! This is the beast we heard on the way in.
Two-stepping.
God. What else we got going on over here? In the truck.
Yeah, it's been shortened. I think we talked about it last time.
Yeah.
Shortened it. Did a little firewall area there.
Oh yeah, but it wasn't painted yet.
No.
That's right. It wasn't painted yet. Just got done doing some of those coverings.
Got 10 minutes since you've been here.
Yeah. Man, they're knocking some stuff out here. They've got a few vehicles that are already gone already.
Yeah, this one here's getting a full motor and drivetrain.
Right. I hope I don't get copyright.
There's a cool story behind that.
Oh yeah. I got this one right here. Man, they do some good shit around here.
This is getting a new steering rack.
Just so you guys know where to go if you need something done custom. Oh yeah. You get some money. You come over here and call up Jay and his brother.
Get a new motor put in this one. New truck, it's got to have a new motor put in it.
You know, kids will be kids.
And that's Tyler working on it. Tyler Quick Performance. Yeah.
Quick Performance.
Yep. Got some cool interior, TMI interior.
Oh wow. All digital.
All digital, yeah.
Damn. That makes me think about that I need to up my fucking game.
Now, there's the fenders that goes into the park with us when I built. They bolt right in. Nice and tight.
Almost looks custom.
Almost.
Oh. Alright, let's go over here.
Cool stuff over there.
This is where the rest of the cool stuff is. We started out over there. You say you just recently got this Cadillac?
Yeah, this is mine. We'll talk about that one in a second.
No, we can't talk about it.
We can talk about it, but not like, we talk what I'll do with it.
All right. And then he's working on this one. He's going to be selling this one pretty soon. He's going to shine it up and get it out the door. It'll be online not too long from now.
It's a 63 Grand Prix with a 400 high output motor in it.
God damn.
Pretty, I mean, the more research I do on it, the more popular this thing really is, but it's like not out there. You don't see them as often.
Right?
This is a 69 Cadillac.
69 Cadillac, and it's going to go pretty much bumper to bumper. You're going to touch this thing.
Yeah, it's going to have full paint. All the chrome's going to be redone. LS powered with chopping block chassis.
Man, that thing is going to be
suspension under
nice.
it with probably airlift suspension and I don't know. I can't tell you that. As far as it goes on that car.
That's it.
This truck's done. Just waiting on to get it all hooked back up.
Bed already done and everything too?
Yeah. Just waiting on to get the motor hooked up and get it out of here.
Okay, you're what? 6'2"? 6'3"?
6'6".
You're 6'6".
Yeah.
And he's standing next to those. I mean, goddamn.
Big lip.
All right. 4'11". Go stand over there, baby. God damn, that's some big old thing. What size are those?
26s.
26s.
I bet it's 26s. Wait a minute. I'm going to be lying to you.
Wait a minute.
I'm going to be lying to you. No, the 24s.
24s. Okay.
Got that big lip on there.
Okay. All custom. Wow.
Got them fired dual 485s in there. And there's more just
Oh, and this is
all
my wife's car.
custom.
I'm just kidding.
Got to make go fast.
She would love it though.
Yeah.
That's got T-tops too, isn't it?
Yes, it does. Yeah.
Oh, giving a lip. Then he's got the C10 over here.
Yeah,
That's 6 different trucks, isn't it?
yeah, that's a one piece at a time.
One piece at a time truck. And this is his baby right here.
Look at all the guys got the rear end ripped out of it so we can put the CPT brakes on it. Coming soon.
Man. He
Power.
just recently chopped the top off of it. Within the past couple of months, right?
Yeah, it's been a pretty cool ride.
The rear already had air. He's getting ready to do the air on the front.
Slim Thug was the inspiration. We're cutting the roof off.
You can do it! Oh yeah.
I'll give a shout out to
We don't want to look at that, right? Oh.
Shout out to these guys. Listen to
Okay.
their podcast.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then,
But yeah, man, we had fun here. We're waiting. Like I said, I got this mask on. It's not big enough for my face because I got a huge face. So we're waiting on J-Mac to show up so we can go to breakfast, I think. So we're waiting on him to show up. We didn't even look at this, did we?
1958 Apache. We're going to do a C-Notch in the rear and a Mustang 2 front end on it.
Oh, wow.
It'll be on here probably next couple of days. And it's for sale, by the way.
Oh, for sale. Okay.
10 grand the way it is, or probably 12.5 after I get done with it.
10 grand as is, 12.5 after he gets done with it. A step side.
And it's going to come with the original inline 6 as well.
Where's your information at?
Up there.
Jay's Weld Shop in Hunstville, Alabama. What's that phone number?
256-975-4546.
Holler at him if you need anything done and you can get your shit to Alabama. This is where you need to go. Look, it's me. So, we'll holler at you guys here in just a minute. Talk to you later. Whew, has been one heck of a day. I'm tired. My wife's tired. We're about to go to bed, but we almost forgot to finish this video off and get it uploaded to you guys. This weekend, it's pretty much going to be all about trying to get that bed on the truck, cutting the parts that need to be cut, and get everything fitted right. Maybe even start doing a little bit of sheet metal work. I got to take all day Friday because it's time to start getting prepared for my DOT physical. And got to go to the doctor and get all that stuff done. So, eye doctor, and then possibly being able to work on the truck a little bit on Friday evening, and then all day Saturday we'll be able to work on the truck. So we're gonna get as much as we can done to it at that time. Right now we are working desperately trying to find a set of rims. We did order a set of rims, come to find out that they're on back order and there's no way that they're gonna be here in time. We'd like to be able to debut my wife's car at Slamville Reunion with a set of rims, so we're all over the internet right now trying to find a set of rims for her car that we like. Okay, that's a key thing. It's got to be some rims that we like or what she likes. I mean, she's pretty good at picking out rims. She did so on Little Goth, so we're gonna, you know, she's picking and choosing what she wants for her car. So that's it. Please subscribe, thumbs up, comment at the bottom, freaks, and we will talk to you guys on this weekend's video, either Saturday night or Sunday sometime. I should have it uploaded. Later, guys.